Hi, I'm Dr.S.P.SARANYA, working assistant professor in the Department of Commerce with Computer Application in the Dr. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the Python variable scope. So in a Python language, we can declare a variables in three different scopes. First one local scope, and second global, and finally non-local scope. So a variable scope specifies the region where we can access a variable. For example, locally or globally or non-locally. For example, def add numbers sum is equal to 5 plus 4. The sum is indicate 5 is indicate the inside the function. So it's a local scope variable. When we declare a variables inside a function, this variable will have local scope within function. We cannot access the outside of the function. Only we can access the inside of the function. It is called the local scope variables. And the message variable is local to the greet of function. It only accessed within the function. That's why I samplized here. We get an error when we try to access it outside the function, greet of function. To fix the issue, we can make the variable named a message as a globally. And then the local, global, and non-local variables can access the any type of variables. For example, if a variable with the same name is defined, the scope of the function as well, then it will print the value given inside or outside or non-locally the function only and not the global value. So they are created the execution of the program begins and are lost when the program is ended. And data sharing is the offers and data sharing is not offered in the local variables. So storage is fixed location selected by the compiler. In this case, in a Python language, to write the wave the data revolution, every coding of the program, we have to declare the function either globally or locally or non-local values. In this case, Python global variables are those which are not defined inside in any case function and it have a global scope, whereas Python variables are those which are defined function and their scope is limited to the function only. That means we can say that local variables are accessible only inside the function in which it was initialized, whereas the global variables are accessible throughout the program and inside every function. Either the non-variables are used in nested functions only, whose local scope is not defined. This means that the variable can be neither in the local nor the global scope. This is called the non-local variables. So we have to wind up the session here. Thank you so much for watching.